Updating your personal information with PNC Bank is a straightforward process that can be done online, via mobile app, or by visiting a branch. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the PNC Bank website or open the PNC mobile app. Enter your user ID and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your personal information settings. Step 3. Select Information to update. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Make your changes. Edit the necessary fields with your new information. Be sure to double check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Submit button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Make sure to log out of your account after completing the updates for security purposes. Keeping your personal information up to date is important for your banking security and communication.